Welcome. So my name's David Warnes. I'm the principal here at Chelmsford College. It's great to see you all here. I think part of today is to dispel some myths around what construction work is, and that's why we've got some fantastic employers here to talk to you about all the different career pathways, because it isn't just muddy boots.
We are running a programme in Chelmsford called Building a Lasting Legacy, which is about creating a talent pipeline. So we're working with students from year 9 and we're hopefully going to follow them all the way through to the end of year 13 or their second year in college. And today's session was about giving the young people an option to have a taster of college, have a hands-on activity that links to the construction industry, and more importantly is to help parents understand what some of the students' post-16 options will be, whether it's coming to college, sixth form, what their post-18 could be. So do they go and do a full-time degree, a part-time degree, or do they go and look for an apprenticeship? So they've heard from employers. So it's to really give them a broader understanding of what the art of possible is for their young people.
It's been very good. I like all the hands-on activities and stuff. My favourite activity was the carpentry. I would consider going here for like an apprenticeship or something.
There's a real buzz. There's been some great questions from the adults. I'm hoping the same has happened from the young people as well. But I think we're really getting a buzz about the sector.
Hopefully you'll get something really valuable out of this, a really memorable experience, and thinking then in terms of your long-term future and where this can take you. Thank you very much for coming in. Really enjoyed tonight and I hope you get something valuable out of it. Thank you.